Hello, this is the screencast for Joshua Carpenter for SCR316, my design pattern project. You can see here I've got the URL ready to clone. This is the URL that's also included in my readme.md file. And I'm going to be cloning it into this folder you see in the background to the simulation folder that's currently empty. Here. Okay, let's go ahead and clone the project. Now you can see I have a project here, and there is one of two ways to clone the, or to actually run the project. We can just do Gradle run. Okay. And you can see the simulation ran, looks like for 17 days. It does vary slightly because it really depends on how quickly the farms get upgraded, as you can see in some of my documentation as to how it actually works. It does vary the amount of currency that's generated, as well as what types and how many farmers and when are they created. So it doesn't run on the same amount of days each time. I can actually run it again, and so that one ran 18 days, and you can see at the bottom that all the farms were upgraded. So the simulation ended. There's a safeguard in there too, because occasionally you get kind of lucky or unlucky, however you look at it, and there's a safeguard so it doesn't generate more than 50 farms, and usually it's kind of just it's a little unlucky, but at any rate, the other way that you can run the project is to run Gradle that jar, and it will generate a jar file. You need to navigate to the build libraries folder, and you can see we have a jar in there now, and you just run via Java jar as so, and it'll also run, say this time it only ran 13 days. So you do have those two options on how to execute. All right, we'll go ahead and do a Gradle clean build. Okay, and we'll go into our folder. We have build reports. We'll go through some of the reports. So here is my Checkstyles. So you can see I have no errors in my Checkstyle. This is for main. This one is for test. Again, no errors. And if we back up to SpotBugs, you can see there's no errors here for the main package, and then no errors here in my test package. And I've already shown tests. There's our tests. So you've got the test runs. I've got 23 total tests executing. I can then generate our Jacoco test report. Okay, and you can see I have a 92% instruction coverage, 85% branch coverage, and there's my Jacoco. The last thing, here's my Travis CI dashboard. So you can see I have other projects in here, but this is the specific design patterns project, and I have screenshots in my deliverable as well. But you can see all my builds are passing in master, which is the final simulation that I'm submitting for a grade. So that, I believe, covers everything. Thank you so much.